The script about sex offenders shall be punished by death. Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. Here I am as a moderator for our discussion today. You know that the topic we will talk about sex offenders shall be punished by death. I hope you can have a good opinion, but you have to listen to your friend first when you are done talking. Well, what do you think about the topic?
In my opinion, I disagree less with this castration because the chemical castration like this is still too light and violent, and the process only lasts a few years if it has been determined by the law. And the problem is the chemical castration is a still light punishment for a minor rapist compared to the destruction of the soul of the victim who lost his future at an early age.
In my opinions, because of this incident, it is better for the Ustad to be centered to death because he has not the santri in the pesantren. Not only that, but has also sacrificed the future of a number of children who have become victims. So in my opinion, it is better to be centered to that, so that is more actual to his action.
In my opinion, they should be castrated or imprisoned for life, but if it exceeds the limit and many are harmed by the suspect, what can be done? It is the justification and must be sentenced to death for raising female students until they become pregnant and give birth. Therefore, many female students are unit future.
I agree with the three of you. Then what about underage sex offenders? What do you think about that?
In my opinion, about the perpetrator of the child rape at this age, it is very unpredivisible as a crime that only become a private affair but must also be made a public problem because crimes like this are very clearly a form of immoral and heinous behavior that, in addition to violating human rights, also cause physical, social, and psychology for women.
In my opinion, this care of uncertain sex in really a violation of children is human rights because it can hamper the physiology and developmental of children who are victims of sex and will have a bad impacts on the future of children as the nation's concern in the future.
This undersex offense should not be punished with the same as the suspect because they have become victims of unruly sexual harassment by the perpetrators. They should be better education and give better direction for the future and their future.
The opinions that the three of you say are indeed good, but if you look so closely, there are some things that cause people to have casual sex. But we live in a country governed by law, so any deviation is definitely punished in accordance with the provision of the applicable law. So my advice is we should look to the other side as well. So, do you guys agree on this?
I agree because if a person commits a crime and is only given direction that are not balanced with the action he did, then what will happen is the action of the individual judge on the victim's side who do not achieve the heinous act.
Of course, I agree because there are people who have under sex too, so they do not have sex anymore and there are not more victims.
I agree because this is also an education for the public not to have free sex for 100 victims.
Well, your opinions and suggestions are very good because they have happened in our own environment or you have seen them. So the conclusion we draw is that everyone is not allowed to have free sex because it should be prohibited and can cause unwanted things such as getting pregnant, out of wedlock and others. For the Indonesian state, this is not normal and not in accordance with the existing culture. But in Western countries or other countries, this is commonplace. Do you agree with the conclusion?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.